Hey everybody, it's Lisa, and since I don't look absolutely horrendous today, I decided I would go on camera. Um, I'm going to try to make this really fast. Um, this is a new one for me. Steak portobello by Lean Cuisine. Three cheese ziti marinara by Smart Ones. I don't think I've ever purchased that, but I might have. Old Faithful Snaps mozzarella sticks. 5 cheese lasagna. Spaghetti with meat sauce. White Castle sliders. I think they might have had like one of those rewards with that one. I'm not sure. Innovation orange chicken. Some fun size M&Ms in the Easter variety. Oops. Kit Kat. And the rainbow sparkle jelly beans again. Gardein mandarin orange crispy chicken. It's vegan chicken, vegan orange chicken, but it's actually really good. Screamin' Sicilian Pizza Company Stromboli. Vegetable lo mein. TGI Fridays, which I really miss. Ours closed down. Potato skin. By antioxidant fusion in the watermelon flavor. Banquet fried chicken. Hot Pockets in the Philly cheesesteak variety. I asked for steak fajitas, but I guess they were out. Chicken breast fajitas. Cheesy garlic lasagna with meat sauce. Stuffed peppers. I have some of these Calypso. I got 2 packs of two of these. Hang on. Yeah, those Calypso drinks, and I got a Coke, and that's basically it. I wanted this to be a quickie because my battery's running low anyway, and I hope everybody's having a good good week, and have a good weekend, and thanks for watching.